Have you ever wondered why police officers ask so many questions when they are investigating an incident, especially when they might already have some information? It is a common scenario in many situations, from a minor traffic stop to a more serious event, and understanding their approach can be incredibly helpful. Police officers question suspects primarily to gather vital information, establish the true facts of a situation, and uncover any details that might lead to a clear understanding of a crime. Their goal is to piece together the events, identify everyone involved, and determine exactly what happened. This questioning serves several critical objectives. First, officers are meticulously looking for factual data, such as who was present at the scene, precisely what took place, where the incident occurred, when it happened, and how it unfolded. They don't just ask random questions. Each query is designed to help them build a comprehensive picture. They aim to either corroborate information they already possess from other sources or to uncover new details that might contradict existing evidence, prompting further investigation. It is like gathering all the pieces of a complex puzzle. Furthermore, questioning helps them identify other potential witnesses or individuals who may have been involved, expanding the scope of their inquiry. It can also shed light on the motives or specific circumstances surrounding the incident, providing context beyond just the actions themselves. And yes, sometimes, the questioning process is indeed designed to elicit an admission or confession. This is a powerful piece of evidence, but it is heavily scrutinized by the legal system to ensure it was obtained fairly and lawfully, always respecting the individual's constitutional rights, such as the well-known Miranda warnings. For anyone being questioned by law enforcement, understanding these police objectives is incredibly empowering. It means you are aware that officers are actively seeking information, and crucially, you possess fundamental rights throughout that process. You have the constitutional right to remain just silent, which means you do not have to answer any questions that could incriminate you. You also have the right to have an attorney present during any questioning. Exercising these rights is a profoundly personal decision, but many legal experts consistently advise consulting with a qualified lawyer before providing any statements to law enforcement, ensuring your best interests are protected. An interesting and important distinction in law enforcement communication is between an interview and an interrogation. An interview is generally a less formal process, focused on gathering information from potential witnesses or individuals who might have knowledge about an event. An interrogation, on the other hand, often implies a more formal and sometimes accusatory approach, typically occurring when officers believe the individual has direct involvement or significant information about a crime. Regardless of the specific term used, the underlying objective remains the systematic gathering of information. It is crucial to remember that any statements you make must be entirely voluntary, meaning they cannot be obtained through coercion, threats, or promises. Courts meticulously examine the totality of the circumstances surrounding a statement to determine if it was indeed voluntary and therefore admissible as evidence in a trial. Ultimately, understanding why police question suspects is not about obstructing justice or avoiding accountability. Instead, it is about empowering individuals to navigate interactions with law enforcement intelligently and to safeguard their legal rights within a fair and lawful process. By knowing the police's objectives and your own constitutional protections, you can make informed decisions, ensuring the integrity of the legal system is upheld for everyone involved.